I have done something very stupid. Let's see if any of this was worth it. This one wasn't barely wrapped at all. Let's see. Never mind, it was well wrapped. A Pixel. Ooh, that's a Pixel Pro. Okay, these can be very expensive. Let's see if it turns on. No? Okay. It seems like an iPhone, but there's an X mark on it. I don't know if you can really tell. There's like an X mark. We'll see what that means. Does this one turn on? Nothing. Okay. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to leave most of them charged for a while. Well, first sign here. Like, doesn't seem in very good shape. Let's look at the screen. Okay, the screen itself looks okay. God, this was wrapped. Much better than the last one. The screen looks fine. Only the back. This could be resold. Does it turn on? I'm guessing most of these will not turn on easily. Another iPhone with an X on it? I'm not sure what this means. I'm guessing these are not a good sign. Ooh, this is an old iPhone. Jesus. This one looks in a good shape. Let's see if it turns on. Nothing either. Alright. This seems like an older Samsung. Let's see if this one turns on as well. Unlucky so far. Okay. This one seems like to be a bundle of two phones, because this one is heavier. Let's see. Oh, iPhone. Okay, that's a good sign. Come on. And another iPhone? Or another phone with an X? That's a Huawei, I think. Yeah. Let's see if those two can turn on. Oh! Well, this one has people on it. This one works though. That's a good sign. All right. It's like an iPhone SE 3rd gen, maybe. Could do something with that. Let's see for this one. Again, if it has an X, I'm guessing no. It seems like another Samsung-ish thing. Ah, this one seems to be in great shape. It still has the screen protector on it. Oh, it's missing the SIM card. I don't know if you can tell. Well, that's like $4 on Amazon. If it turns on, that would be amazing. Nope. Man, those games haven't been using in a while. This one is heavy. I think it just has a cover. That's a Samsung device. Can tell already. It's on the wrong cover? Yes, it is. It's on the wrong cover. Well, anybody wants a free case? Let's see if this one turns on. Screen is dirty, but other than that, it seems fine. Doesn't seem to want to turn on either. Well, was that a very big mistake on my part? We shall see in a few minutes. This seems like a Motorola or something cheap. Yeah, this is a Motorola and it's screwed. I don't think that's even worth to try to fix, but we'll see if it turns on. Well, no luck on this one either. So I'm just to have a cover as well. Okay, this one is newer. Another Samsung, but much newer. With a cover, huh. Don't have any use for this cover, but awesome. Please turn on as well. Damn it, all right, no. And last one. Another Samsung with a screen protector. Oh, how nice. Let's see, oh, upside down. Let's see if it turns on. Wow. So I have a 12 phone, only one turns on. I'm gonna charge a few of them and see if I can see any reaction from the phone. I'm actually very curious about this iPhone first. If I can make this one just turn on, even with the back, people might still buy it. Let's see if anything happens. Huh, that's not a good sign. Will the screen turn on? Nope. This one might be dead. I'm gonna try something. I've purchased this little thing here so we know how many watts it's pulling. This is a simple 30 watts charger, and let's see if anything happens with this. If it charges, it's getting some power. Oh, it is getting kind of a lot of power, so it is charging. So even in bad conditions, some places might still buy this. So let me check on Go Resell, which is a Canadian website. So even for a 14, I think this is a 14 plus or 13 plus, looking for a 14 plus, defective, no longer working, I could get easily like a 50 bucks. And if it's just at a fair condition, if I repair it, 300 bucks. I could easily fix it with a case and get like 200 bucks from it. So I might do that. At the worst case scenario, I get 50. All right, well, we have the lightning cable. Let's see what happens with these. It is going up. Oh, it's charging. So I'll leave some time to charge for all of these because we'll be here all day. So I'll be back in about 15 minutes when most of these are charged. Wait. Why did this one not turn on? Hold up. Okay. Hold the phone a minute. I was charging all my other devices, but I realized that this one is only at 75%. It's only 9% or something. These two are charging, which is a good sign. But this one is just straight up opening. Oh, it seems to be locked. Okay, this one is locked. But still, let's see. If my research is correct, this is an A14 from Samsung. And I can get an easy 60 bucks for it. That's easy. Easy win. Even if it's locked, I can unlock it, it's fine. Easy win. So we're back with some good and some bad news. Let me unplug most of them. So most of them charge up, so that's good news. As you can see, this one just works. I'm worried though that it might be locked. As you can see, most of them are able to turn on. The only one I can't seem to turn on is the Pixel phone. So let's see if anything happens when I plug it in. Okay, it is charging. That's very good news. It's charging widely though. And now it's not charging anymore. So it tried to charge. Huh. Let's keep this one charging a little bit. I forgot about this one. Can this one turn on? This one's not turned on either. Let's see what happens when I plug it in. Do we have anything? Nope, nothing at all. So this one is just dead. And with the age of this, even if it would turn on, I would maybe get 15 bucks for it, so I'll call this one dead. All the other ones though seem to be able to turn on perfectly, so let's see. I'll need to remove my gloves to see this. There was this iPhone. Is it locked? It is locked. Let's see if I'm lucky. No. Oh, it's in French too, great. Okay, so this one is locked. That's probably why there's an X on it. That's something I can deal with. How about this one? There's an X on this one, but it's turning on. Let's see. Okay, so this one seems like I can probably make it work with iTunes. I don't want to link this to my Wi-Fi because apparently Apple bricks these iPhones when you connect them to Wi-Fi, but it seems to be working. So this one goes in a good pal. This one just works. It's not even locked or anything. This one is just working. Not even locked to an account or anything. That's just a free phone. That's a pretty, like, recent phone from Samsung. Give me a second. S21 FE. What can I get for basically brand new looking S21 FE? Well, we just got our first real good lot. It's gonna go up to $165. Alright, so with just that, I think we're close to making back our money. We need to look for this one though, but just with these phones, I think we're pretty close to getting back our money. This one is locked, and even if it wasn't locked, again, so old that I might be able to make 60 bucks out of it, maybe. So I'll put it in the maybe later pile. I think this one just was screwed up. No, actually, well, a little bit. But is it still usable? It seems like it is. The button all works. Is it linked to a Google account? Because that's all it is. I can just send you the screen. It is not locked. Okay, cool. Motorola G7. What can I get for a Motorola G7? Yeah, basically nothing. Not really worth repairing, honestly. Might be more expensive to repair than to sell. How about this one? Let's try. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the win. Let's go in these settings. There's an account on this, but I have the code, so I should be able to reset this. A53, that's pretty recent, I think. So like new. 145 bucks. Easy. Don't sleep on those cheap Samsung devices. It just made basically with just those two phones back what I paid for this whole lot. How about this one? This one I think turned on, but the screen, yeah, the screen is over. And it just crashes as soon as you try to open this one. But yes, the X is pretty. All the one that had X's on it did not work. Actually, that's not true. This one didn't have X's and they are not really worth anything. How about this one? Anything in with this? This would be amazing to fix, because this is like, let's see how much, this is a Pixel 7, I think, Pixel Pro 7. Let's see how much I can make if it was in good condition, because physically it's in great conditions. If I can make this one work, at least for this was like $70. So I could easily make my money back if I fix this. In like new condition, this would be $230. If I could make this one work. How about this iPhone? It's an iPhone SE, probably the first one. In, I would say good condition, $75. Easy. If I can make this one work, it's $180. So with those 6 phones alone, I could make about $673. And I bought this out for $350. So that's a pretty solid profit for basically doing nothing. There's 2 phones that are locked that I need to do something, and I might need to fix this one. This one could make me a lot of money. But if we forget about these, this is pretty freaking decent. Stay tuned for the second video when I have this, which is mostly iPhone devices. I am excited to see what I make with this, because these are mostly iPhone.